Hello everyone, it's Miss Norman. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday. Real quick, I just wanted to explain today's choices. So for today, you can practice online on ABC Ya, Molly adds and subtracts from 10. The link is on the blog and on our lesson plans. If you'd prefer a non-digital activity, I've included addition subtraction flip. For this game, you need a deck of cards, and remember, I've included a way for you to print your own cards, or you can use a set of cards or Uno cards or any kind of card that you have. You'll need a coin, a small piece of paper like a Post-it size. One side has an addition sign, the other side with a subtraction sign, and a small handful of manipulatives. This can be Legos, pennies, beans, cereal, anything small that you can have about 25 pieces of. So to play, what you're going to do is you are going to flip a coin. If it lands on heads, you're going to do addition. If it lands on tails, you're going to do subtraction. Then you're going to flip over 2 cards from your deck of cards. And you're going to either add or subtract depending on what your piece of paper says, either the addition sign or the subtraction sign. If you're subtracting, this is just a reminder to make sure that you put the larger number first, just like I have right here. Because remember, if I have 3 pieces of candy in my hand, you can't take 5 pieces of candy out of my hand because there's only 3 there. So for our problem, since we rolled a heads, we have an addition sign. So we have 7 and 3. Well, if I'm counting, I can count all of the hearts and all of the clovers, or I can just count on. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. And then what I'd love to see you do is write your answer on a piece of paper so that you can practice that number writing. So you see right here, I've written my number 10. So these are your 2 choices today. You can play an online game, or you can make your own game to practice today and other days. I hope you have a great Tuesday, and I love you. Mwah!